In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add the calculator to your iPhone control center. This enhances convenience by providing quick access to basic calculations without needing to open a separate app, which streamlines workflow, hence saving time. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down onto the option of Control Center. As you can see, here is my calculator already added. I'm going to remove it so that I show you how this really works. Navigate down into the section of More Controls. On the calculator option, tap on the plus icon. It will get added successfully. You can add as many controls you wish to add. That's how easy it is to add calculator to your control center. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.